Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1970 Chevy C10 pickup truck. Of course, you know these trucks are always nice to have for any kind of occasion, whether it's moving or just going to a car show. This one we have here featuring a orange and white exterior. As you do see, it does have the old school farm truck wheels on it with the BF Goodrich white layer tires. Other than that, you have a nice mid-sized bed there. You also have the little hold-ons on the side. Of course, with the slide-out window, it's very nice to have in case you want to throw people in the back. But as for the liner, you can see they added a nice little protective coat on there, so if you ever want to put something in the back, you never have to worry about destroying your nice little classic pickup truck. Other than that, as we move on to the inside, as you can see, it is an automatic on the column, offering that tilt column too for the driver's comfortability. Other than that, it is a single bench seat for the checkered style vinyl and cloth style bench seat. Carpet's in good condition. Along the dash, you can see we have our speedometer, our lower gauges on the bottom side there. Gas gauge is pretty good, so we can make it a few little miles. Moving on to the side there, you can see we have later model retro sound style radio. Underneath we have the vintage air controls, which we will get to in a minute. Other than that, being a single cab truck, one of the things I noticed a lot in these trucks is that the headliner usually sags down, but of course this one's actually in pretty good shape. But as we move on to the engine bay, you will notice that we have a nice little 350 small block motor featuring a triangle style air cleaner. It does have the chrome valve covers as well, adding on with headers to give it a much better sound, which we can open up in a minute. Definitely with headers, you notice a better breathing sound for your motor, as well as a better sound producing out the back. Of course, you do know that now we've tried to take pictures of the back stamps of the engine, so you know particularly what motor you have inside your car. This one, you can see it does have a 350 small block, which is nice because the emblems on the side of the truck have that as well. Other than that, it is starting to rain, but of course now it's time to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, just stay tuned with us to see the underneath.